Writers! Today we're going to take a peek at the narrative writing checklist. There's one more element of narrative writing that I want to teach you, and then you will have a chance to look at your draft and see if you've included this particular element. Let's take a look. Writers, you can see we're looking at the structure part of the narrative writing checklist, and you can also see that we have covered all of the areas except for the middle one called transitions. It's important to include transitions in your narrative writing because it helps your reader follow along with what is happening. Using words like it started when, or one day, or in the beginning at the start of your narrative lets your reader know this is the beginning of the narrative, this is what happened first. And then in the middle of your narrative, we should hear some transition words like when, then, soon, after that, before long, suddenly. These words help your reader visualize what's happening in your story and helps you tell your narrative bit by bit. Then finally, at the end of your narrative, we might actually hear the word finally, or in the end, or lastly. Today we're going to see how I use transition words in my narrative, and hopefully that will inspire you to go back and revise your narrative to include some transition words. If you have time, check out the next video where I look at my writing and look for these important transition words.